Hello, I'm Abhishek Chakraborty, a graduate in Textile Engineering from Bangladesh University of Textiles, and today I'm going to talk about wetting agents, which is one of the auxiliaries used for dyeing. As you all know, in order to achieve uniform dyeing, it is not enough to use dyeing molecules and water only. We need other auxiliaries such as wetting agents, sequestering agents, dispersing agents, etc. And wetting agents is one of them. Wetting agents is an auxiliary that makes water more effective at soaking into fabric. This does this function by lowering the surface tension. Now, the surface tension is a tendency of a liquid surface at rest to shrink into the minimum surface area possible. This is why, that means? That means that water at rest tries to reduce its surface area as much as possible. This is why we see the spherical shape of water in bubbles, because that is the least area it can take while at rest. And it is also the reason little insects can walk on top of water. Moving on to how the wetting agents work. The wetting agent or the surfactants has two ends, as you can see in the picture. One is the hydrophilic end, that is the water-loving end that can easily bond with water, and the other is the hydrophobic end, that is the water-fearing end that tries to shy away from the water. And the water-fearing end, the hydrophobic end, can also bond with waxes and oils. Now, if you look at this picture, you will see that the wetting agent is interacting with water. The hydrophobic end is trying to shy away from the water, while the hydrophilic end has bonded with water. This creates a bit of a pulling effect, and this pulling effect reduces the surface tension. That is how actually the wetting agents or surfactants reduce the surface tension of water. There are four kinds of wetting agents. The first one are the anionic surfactants. The anionic surfactants, as the name suggests, carry negative charge. This negative charge helps them to bond with water. This is the most widely used surfactants. The second one are the cationic surfactants. Cationic surfactants have a positively charged head, and their positively charged heads help them to bond with negative types of particles, and that is why they have their other specific uses. Such as they can bond with certain types of hair and fabrics and can provide conditioning effects. The third category of surfactants are the non-anionic surfactants. Non-anionic surfactants, as the name suggests, carry no charge on their hydrophilic head. So they are not as sensitive to water hardness as the other surfactants are. So this type of wetting agents can be used when the water is really, really hot. So, and they form hydrogen bonds with water, and they can effectively solubilize oils and cheeses. And since they have no ions and they are immune to the hardness, they are more stable than other kinds of surfactants in hard water. The fourth kind of wetting agents are the amphoteric surfactants. Amphoteric surfactants are really unique. They carry both the positive and negative ions. This is why they can work with any kinds of particles, and depending on the pH of the solution, and they have great adaptability, which makes them versatile for interaction with different kinds of fabrics and different kind of solutions. So that is all from wetting agents. As you can see, wetting agents reduce the surface tension, and so that is why we can easily dye the fabrics, because in order to dye properly, the particles, different kind of chemicals, dye particles need to soak into the fabric properly, and in order to achieve the even dyeing. Let's say we didn't have wetting agents in dyeing. So what would happen if we didn't have wetting agent is the dyeing particles, the solutions would be soaked into fabric unevenly, and that would produce an uneven shade. So that is why these are very important in dyeing. Thank you.